Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello my dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel DIY craft videos. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. In this video today I will show you handmade sandals, slippers designs, pom-pom slippers and crochet slippers, shoes designs which are very beautiful and creative. These are DIY sandals and crochet shoes designs. I hope you will like these ideas, these designs. If you are my new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the daily latest updates. In this video you will see almost 25 plus ideas. Very beautiful and creative sandals these are. If you want to see tutorials of these, then please comment me in comment section. I will show you tutorials of these. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button, and if you want to share my videos, you can share my videos at Facebook, Google+, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. If you want to follow me on Instagram, the Instagram ID is Samula Kramat. You can follow me on there. So guys, stay with me, watch my full video and get the amazing ideas. The winter is coming, so I will show you these sandals designs. I hope you will like it, and please, if you like this video, then share my videos as much as you can. I need your support to grow my channel. I hope you will support me to grow my channel. Thank you so much guys for loving me, for loving my videos, for like my videos. I hope in future you will support me. So guys, I will be back soon with my new videos, with my new ideas. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and do not forget to share my videos with others. I will be back soon with my new videos, with my new ideas. Please remember me in your prayers. God bless you. Always be happy. Keep smiling and keep supporting me. If you have any request or if you want to ask me any question, then comment me in comment section. I will fulfill your request as soon as possible and reply on your comment. So guys, don't go anywhere. Keep watching my videos, and thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.